Before you invest a single dollar into a Tesla Supercharger project, you need to hear this. Tesla just released 3 numbers that completely change how profitable a charging site will be. And most people in the industry don't know about this. The first key number that Tesla released is the average number of people using their superchargers each day. Tesla said that at any average location, a supercharger will get about 8 charging sessions per day. And this number has jumped from an average of 4 charging sessions per day, and that was in 2019. So it's doubled in almost 6 years. Now, if you have a poor location that's not very busy, then it could be as low as 5 charging sessions per day. But alternatively, if you have a really hot location, it can be more than 20 sessions per day. So why does this matter? Well, the more sessions you have per charger just means the more money you can make, right? And just before we get to point number 2, if you want to buy the course or book a one-on-one call with me, then those links are below. All right, the second big number they released was how much money people are spending on average per charging session. Tesla said that the average dollar amount spent per charging session was $15. Well, knowing this, plus the number of charging sessions we have per day, starts to give us what we need to calculate our revenue. I'll let you run the math on that. Let's say you have 4 superchargers getting 10 sessions per day at $15 each. The third big number that Tesla released was how long are people charging on average per session and how much electricity is consumed. Tesla said that usually on average, people charge for about 30 minutes per charging session. And the average amount of electricity that's consumed per session is about 35 kilowatt hours. And we love this because we want quick turnaround times. The more people that can come and use our chargers on any given day means the more money we can make. And remember to check out the course below and feel free to book a call with me if you want to have a one-on-one chat to discuss the best strategy for your business. Thanks so much for checking in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.